Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Terry. I'm your host for Terry's Thrifty Finds, and I have a small Dollar Tree haul to share with you. These are items I actually picked up on Sunday, and I just haven't had a chance to film it. It's late Tuesday, so this video will go up tomorrow. So I picked up some fall items and some just repeat items that I saw. A couple of new items. So we'll start with the fall sign that I picked up. This is really nice. I do decorate with sunflowers and pumpkins seasonally. That's how I decorate, not for holidays, but for seasonally. So I'm not ready. I love fall. Don't get me wrong, that's my favorite season. And Dollar Tree has all their fall items coming in like crazy. Do keep checking your store because they'll just get a whole slew of stuff and then it'll kind of fade out and sell out, and they'll get some more because let's face it, it's like not even the middle of August. So but I really like this. It's a tall sign, and I have a covered porch area, so I think I'm going to place this one out front, kind of just lean it up against the doorway, near the doorway I should say. There was another sign I was thinking about getting, and it said all the different sayings for fall, like fall leaves and apple picking and pumpkin patch and all that. It was kind of a busy sign, but I liked it. Don't get me wrong, I liked it. If I were to change anything for fall, I probably would get apples, because I love, you pick apples in the fall and you go to the apple farm, and we used to do that back in California. Get all the different apples and fresh apple cider. So that, if anything, I would like to see Dollar Tree do something different, because it's pumpkin everything. So, but I like this. I like this one. It has the bird on it and the leaves, flowers. So, I'm going to post some pictures in a little bit of we did some wildflowers out in the front, just like an open little garden area, right just outside our front step. And just all these different flowers came up, and the last batch of flowers came up are the sunflowers. So they're really pretty, really nice ones, like a big yellow one, and there's ones that have a little more of an orange and reddish tint to it. So when I saw that sign, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get that one. Okay, just random things. This is new. They had different flavors for it. Jim doesn't really care for mac and cheese, but every once in a while I get a craving for it. But this is a Cheetos Mac and Cheese, and I just got the bold and cheesy. They had like the spicy one, and they had another flavor. So there's 3 different flavors out there, so do check it out at your store. And it's much like a Kraft mac and cheese. You need butter or margarine, water, and milk. So yeah, just a nice side dish. Also, for food items, a repeat purchase. These, if you looked at my last haul, these are really good. You only get like maybe 5 pieces in there, but it's a sugar-free Brussels stover with the chocolate and the caramel. And for our little candy dish here, I picked up extra bags, but Jim already took them to work. I got him the watermelon and the creamsicle taffy. These are really good. They're not like hard, but they're really easy to chew. So nice little sweet snack. If you looked at my Goodwill haul, I picked up at the Goodwill outlet that old luggage, vanity luggage. Well, I want to clean it up. I looked up instructions DIY how to clean that. So in order to get that, all I needed was the nail brush that's in here, sorry. Because you mix a solution, I think it's Dawn and baking soda. And because it's like a vinyl, it's not leather, it's not fabric, it's going to be very easy to clean and let it dry. So I needed this little fine brush they recommended, but it's nice. You have this, we'll have this extra things, extra to do. I usually go get, I go get a pedicure because I'm not really good at painting my nails. But this is nice. They had it in green, pink, and I think blue. But what a nice little gift set to give someone, put it in a gift basket, like Crafty Girl says, like a care package. You can send it to your students that are in college, or just, you know, kids that have moved away, moved out. It's a great little gift to send them. And then two more of the fall items. Like I said, I love fall, so that's probably, I think, of most of my decor is fall. I've incorporated a lot flowers here and there for summer. You probably saw this back over here. My little display. I've got some other things over in a couple other places in the house with little summer flowers, sunflowers, and my little letter tray and so forth. So, but I picked up these because I thought this would be nice for a vase filler. So I picked up 2 bags of these little mini pumpkins, and you get 5 of them in there. So I got 2 packages because the 2 vases that I have that I use for decor, I don't think I have enough. And then I'm pretty sure I have some that are not the fabric ones. They're like plastic ones. So I thought this would be nice. And they had these in white, and I'm not sure if it has any other color. I only saw white and the orange at my store. So like I said, things have been picked through. And one last introduction into my fall decor. I couldn't pass them up. The fox. They had new pumpkins this year that are more of this muted paint color. But like I said, I have plenty. So if anything I'm going to pick up is just something to add to that I don't have already. But I thought this is cute, and this is his tail. First I thought it was a pine cone, but it's just his bushy tail. We do get a lot of red fox in our area here. I've only seen them a couple of times. Once when I went to walk the dog. Thankfully, foxes are very skittish. Anything bigger than them and they'll run. So they'll eat vegetation, but they're looking for small rodents and things like that. I haven't heard anything where they'll go and attack a dog or a cat even. I don't think they're looking for those type of animals. But yeah, I thought he was really cute. His little eyes are adorable. So that is it. That is the small little Dollar Tree that I had. And thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you'd like to stick around, we'd love to have you. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button twice so then you're notified when the next video comes up. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.